Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how to add users at the project level in SuperConstruct. First, navigate to your company, and then open the project in which you want to add users. On the left side navigation bar, click on a Users module. At the top of the screen, you will see the Add Member button. Click on the Add Member button. On this screen, you can add users in two ways. You will see two tabs, Invite New Member and Add from Company. To invite a new user who is not part of your company, stay on the Invite New Member tab. Enter the user's email address. If the user is already registered on SuperConstruct, their first name, last name, and company name will be auto-populated. If the user is new, you will need to enter their first name and last name manually. Next, select the user's role from the role dropdown. If needed, you can also add a message in message field. This step is optional. After verifying all the details, click on the Invite Member button. The user will receive an email notification with the invitation. The invited user will appear in the user's list with the status invited. Once the user accepts the invitation, the status will automatically change to active. Now, to add users from your own company, click on Add Member and switch to the Add from Company tab. Here, you will see the list of users belonging to your company. Select the required user, assign a role, and click on Add to Project. The user will be added and will appear in the user's list with invited status until they accept. Additionally, when you click on a user card, you will see options like Resend Invitation, which sends the invitation email again, and Delete Invitation, which removes the invitation. This is how you can add users at the project level in SuperConstruct.